We will carry on from where we stopped with the lecture series of Chapter 7 of the Axelos PRINCE2 Agile Manual. In this lecture, we will explore how PRINCE2's core principles, which ensure good governance, are applied and strengthened within Agile environments. Agile doesn't replace these principles. It enhances them by embedding adaptability, feedback, and continuous collaboration into the way they are practiced. The first PRINCE2 principle states that a project must always remain viable and justified. There must be a valid business reason for continuing. In Agile, this is reframed as delivering value rather than just benefits. The emphasis shifts to incremental validation of value through early releases or prototypes such as minimum viable products (MVPs). PRINCE2 Agile teams continually check whether the project still delivers value worth pursuing, not just at stage boundaries, but throughout delivery. An example is seen in an MVP for an online service could start as a simple landing page testing customer interest. If data shows low engagement, the team can pivot or stop the project early, saving time and cost. This principle is foundational to both PRINCE2 and Agile. PRINCE2 promotes learning lessons at the start and end of stages. Agile accelerates this cycle through techniques like retrospectives, Kaizen, continuous improvement, and inspect and adapt practices. Agile encourages shorter feedback loops, learning after every iteration instead of waiting for post-project reviews. This creates a culture of constant refinement and team maturity. Example: after a few sprints, the team discovers that 3-week sprints are more productive than 2-week ones. The process is adapted immediately, embodying the inspect and adapt mindset. PRINCE2 requires all participants to know their roles and decision-making authority. In Agile, new delivery-level roles such as product owner, scrum master, and development team are introduced. The key challenge and opportunity is to map Agile roles to PRINCE2 roles clearly. Product owner may align with senior user responsibilities. Scrum master supports delivery but is not the project manager. This integration prevents role confusion and ensures governance remains intact while maintaining Agile autonomy at the delivery level. An example is seen in a project involving 3 customer teams with different needs. Requires clarity on who acts as the senior user, strategic, and who acts as product owner, delivery level, for each team. In PRINCE2 Agile, major time boxes such as releases are not run separately from project control. They are designed to fit within PRINCE2 management stages. This ensures that Agile delivery cycles, sprints, iterations, or releases align with the project's governance model. The project manager and team managers plan these releases so that progress can be reviewed and direction adjusted at each stage boundary. The key point is that Agile delivery operates within PRINCE2 structure, not outside it. This keeps governance strong while allowing teams to deliver value frequently. An example is seen in a digital innovation project developing a new mobile banking feature. Each PRINCE2 management stage lasts 2 months and contains 3 Agile sprints. Releases are planned within stages to demonstrate working functionality. Because of high uncertainty, stages are kept short, enabling the team to fail fast, learn fast, and adapt quickly. Managed by exception, in PRINCE2 Agile means leaders set boundaries, not tasks. Teams have freedom to adapt within agreed tolerances, ensuring empowerment without loss of control. Agile projects often fix time and cost, while allowing tolerance in scope or product detail to accommodate change. For example, a project team developing a prototype for a trade show has 0 tolerance for the delivery date, but 25% flexibility in scope. They can adjust features to meet the immovable deadline. This principle promotes trust, autonomy, and clear escalation paths, key elements for hybrid governance success. Focus on products reminds us that project success is measured by what is delivered, not just by the effort expended. In PRINCE2 Agile, this principle encourages teams to define clear product descriptions with prioritized quality criteria. By decomposing deliverables into smaller, flexible components, teams can adapt to change while ensuring each output contributes directly to customer value. Agile ways of working support this principle through prioritization frameworks such as MOSCO, must, should, could, won't. Teams and stakeholders identify which features or qualities are essential and which can be flexed if constraints arise. This prioritization creates agility without sacrificing governance. Everyone understands what's vital versus optional. An example from the manual is a case of a conference payment system must allow delegates to pay electronically. The project team classifies online payment capability as a must-have. with credit card payments prioritized above debit card as it should have. This shows how Prince2 Agile enables delivery focus, ensuring the most valuable features are completed first while maintaining control of time and cost. Prince2 Agile promotes tailoring to align governance with the project's environment, culture, and agile maturity. The Agilometer helps assess factors such as customer engagement and communication ease to identify and mitigate risks. Tailoring ensures agility without losing control, adapting process rigor to project needs and context. Tailored to suit the project environment is about adapting Prince2 practices to fit the team, organization, and delivery context. Prince2 Agile enhances this principle using the Agilometer, a diagnostic tool that helps assess the suitability and risks of agile working within a specific project. It encourages project teams to evaluate practical factors such as customer engagement, communication channels, team stability, and business readiness before deciding how agile the approach should be. For example, a highly regulated project may retain more documentation and control points, while an innovation-driven project might use lighter reporting and rapid iteration. The Agilometer guides this balance, identifying where flexibility is possible and where tighter control is needed. An example from the manual is seen in a new project. The team discovers that a key customer representative will be unavailable for 4 weeks. Instead of pausing delivery, the team mitigates the risk by assigning a temporary representative and maintaining a handover log to ensure continuity. This demonstrates adaptive governance, adjusting roles and processes to preserve collaboration and progress. In summary, Prince2 Agile thrives on intelligent, tailoring, adapting governance to reality, not forcing projects to fit the method. Thank you for listening. Please drop your questions or any further comments in the chat before continuing with the next lecture. See you in the next lecture.